Okay, we're now going to look at physical stock, and this is one of the calculations I will do with you very, very slowly. So, whenever whenever you see whenever you see anything about physical stock, you need to ask yourself, is it a surplus or a deficit? This is very important to know because you have to calculate it first, and if it's a surplus, it is going to be under other operating income. If it's a deficit, it's going to be under other operating expenses. So it's very important that you calculate this and you know where it belongs and you're confident with your answer. So how do we start? Okay, first we need to look at the trading stock amount. If you look at this question, they don't tell you anything about stock, right? You have to calculate it from the start to see. Okay, to calculate a surplus or deficit, you have to compare how much stock you have on hand, and they tell you this, to how much stock you thought you had, but we don't know, it's not here, so we have to calculate it. And we're going to do that by finding our trading stock, which is under balance sheet accounts, and it's 1,534,000. 1,534,000. Okay, that's nope, like this. Okay, 1,534,000. Okay, so that's how much it says we should have trading stock. Okay, but can we compare this yet to how much we think we have on hand? No, we can't. Why? We need to look back at adjustment 5, okay? This affected our trading stock. We had all this trading stock, but some was stolen. And so we can't use this amount because we lost 40,000 of it. So don't forget to subtract that from your trading stock, okay? It's very important whenever you have a trading stock adjustment, you need to make sure you go to all the adjustments you already did to see if it affects your trading stock. Okay, if we calculate this, it should be 1,494,000. Okay, and now we can use this amount to compare to what we have on hand. And we have 1,475,500. So we have 1,475,500 on hand. And this is less than this. And because this is less than this, it means that we have a deficit. Okay? And in your income statement, under other operating expenses, you should have trading stock deficit. Why does it do this? Trading stock deficit, okay? And you should show me this calculation right here. And then this is less than this. So we need to subtract this to see how much we actually lost, okay? And then in your final trial balance, the amount of your deficit should be, let me see, how much is that? 18,500, okay? It should look like this. And yeah, remember, if this amount was higher, then it would be a surplus. But for now, it's a deficit and it should look like this. Okay.